is broken. Here's what happened. One of my keys from this ThinkPad laptop is broken, and it's the letter I. Let's see. With a missing eye, of course, it still works, so there's no problem. That the problem for me is that I hate it when I have to press this white one. So what I love about this laptop is because aside from it's pretty light, it's touchscreen. So if I go here, yeah, it's totally touchscreen, right? Aside from that, this is a twist laptop, so it's convertible to you can show your screen to someone else like that, and it's also convertible into a tablet, so, and that's why it's amazing. I can't really get rid of this. This is one of my favorite laptops of all time. So anyway, what I'm trying to do now is to show you guys how to fix these ThinkPad Lenovo keyboard, because the letter I was broken. This culprit right here is the one that caused this problem for me. You understand? Why'd you do that? Huh? Why did you broke my key? Most people that will attempt to fix this would have some kind of tools like mini screwdriver, tweezers, but I don't have it right now. So what I'm going to be using is these very old tweezers, and the first thing I want to find out is if I have all the parts. So for this particular one, because this just got removed today, I know for sure that I have all the parts. So you see I have this letter I, and there is a white attachment to it, and then I also have this second part, and then all the parts are in there. You really have to turn off your PC because you don't want to keep pressing on it and destroying some of your data. So I'm gonna turn that off first, and after it's turned off, I would disconnect the power. So now let's get started with putting together the keyboard. I would just first put this on top and make sure that all the keys line up. So right now that looks like that. So I gotta remember how it's put, how it's organized. So the letter I is on the left side, upper left side of the key. And then the second part is you want to look at the current prong. I don't know guys if you can see it well, but what it is that it has two prongs on top. It's kind of dirty, so let me clean it up a little bit. Prongs on top, and then smaller enclosed prongs at the bottom. So like what I said, I'm measuring that all the keys are aligned with each other, and then next thing is looking at the tiny you want to look at the prongs on top and prongs at the bottom and place it on the computer and see which of these fit. So I'm also trying to feel which part of these is soft enough that it can be slightly bended. So I noticed that this top right here is bendable a little bit, but you have to be careful because you don't want to totally break it. So when you're measuring it, don't put it right now yet, but just measure it for the time being so you know which part goes to what. So okay, I think this one goes, this top right goes to the top, and then the bottom goes to the bottom. Then you want to measure these again to make sure that there is there's the right spot for it. Now I noticed that when you're fixing a keyboard like this, there are 4 main motions how the keys are to fit. Number 1 is if it slides up and down, top to bottom or bottom to top, left to right or right to left. So you want to figure that out before putting them in and which part goes first. So but before I do that, I want to clean these a little bit. Okay, the first thing I want to do is put these black prongs with these long parts inside the keyboard. So let me try to do this without and you want to be careful that you're not breaking it. Okay, so this on the left and the right, so that's attached. So it's basically, this one is slide down, so the black part on top is just, you just slide it down, and then so the first black part is snapping in there. I don't know if you can see it. Now that's attached, okay? And then the last part is putting these white underneath. So you want to insert these inside the black. It's kind of harder because I have one hand. So next thing you want to do is to slowly pick this up and then slide these right there, okay? And then push this key to the black part, right like that, and then I'm gonna push this up. Okay, I'm gonna push this up. You can hear a bit of snap in there, and then push it down, and then that's it.